Dare to venture into the dark corners of the universe where the unknown meets the unexplained. As we stand on the threshold of the cosmos, we find ourselves faced with questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. Are we alone in this vast expanse, or are there others, beings from far-off galaxies, who have found their way to our little blue planet? The notion of extraterrestrial life has long been a topic of fascination and speculation. Some dismiss it as mere fantasy, while others are convinced of its existence, supported by a wealth of tantalizing evidence. From unexplained phenomena to first-hand accounts of close encounters, the signs are there if we dare to look. Rumors whisper of shadowy figures in the night, of strange lights dancing across the sky, of encounters that defy explanation. These are the tales that make us question what we know, that push us to explore the unknown. Brace yourself as we delve into the inexplicable encounters of those who claim to have met beings from beyond our world. Imagine waking up in the middle of the night only to find yourself not alone. This is the bone-chilling reality that our first interviewee, a seemingly ordinary person like you and me, experienced. A regular evening turned into an extraordinary event when they found themselves face to face with what they can only describe as an extraterrestrial being, a visitor from the stars. As they recount their encounter, we are drawn into a world that is both uncanny and unsettling. They describe the being as a creature unlike any known to mankind. Its eyes, they say, were large and luminescent, its body slender and elongated. The creature moved with an eerie grace, seemingly defying the laws of our earthly physics. But what truly makes their tale spine-tingling is not just the physical description of the being, it is the inexplicable sensation they felt during the encounter. A sense of profound connection, a strange understanding that transcended the barriers of language and species. They felt a rush of emotions from fear and confusion to awe and curiosity. Our interviewee also claims to have physical evidence of this close encounter, a strange otherworldly artifact left behind by the visitor. An object of unknown composition, unlike any material known to our science. It serves as a tangible reminder of their extraordinary encounter and a tantalizing clue to the reality of extraterrestrial life. This account, as incredible as it may seem, is not an isolated incident. There are countless other stories, other encounters shared by ordinary people from all walks of life. Each of these encounters is a piece of a larger puzzle, a glimpse into the vast, unknown universe that lies beyond our earthly realm, a chilling encounter that leaves us with more questions than answers. But isn't that the beauty of the unknown? It tickles our curiosity, nudges us to explore, to seek truth beyond our comprehension, and to embrace the possibility that we may not be alone in this vast cosmos. What if the person sitting next to you is not from this world? Now, that's a thought to make your heart race, isn't it? But it's just a hypothetical. Or is it? Let's listen to our second interviewee, a seemingly ordinary individual with an extraordinary tale to tell. Their encounter with the unearthly happened on an average Tuesday, a day like any other. It was an event that was anything but ordinary, one that would forever change their perception of life, the universe, and everything in between. Our interviewee was alone that day, in a place they'd been 1,000 times before. Suddenly they felt a presence, a feeling of not being alone. They turned around and there it was, an entity, an unearthly visitor. It didn't look like anything they'd ever seen or could even imagine. Our interviewee was frozen, not with fear but with awe and bewilderment. This experience, this encounter, it was more than just a chance meeting with an alien entity. It was a profound moment of realization, a moment that shattered the boundaries of what our interviewee had always believed to be true about the world. It made them question everything they'd ever known, everything they'd ever been taught. This encounter didn't come with a manual. There were no guidelines on how to react, what to do, or what to believe. But it was an experience that resonated deep within their soul. It was a wake-up call that our universe is far more vast and complex than we can ever comprehend. Our interviewee's tale might be hard to believe, and that's all right. It's a tale that defies our understanding of reality and existence. It's a tale that challenges us to expand our horizons and open our minds to the infinite possibilities out there. So, next time you're alone, take a moment. Look around. Feel the presence of the universe and its infinite mysteries. Who knows? You might not be as alone as you think. After all, a meeting that defies our understanding of reality and existence. As we gaze upon the night sky, are we truly alone? This question has haunted humanity since the dawn of time. Perhaps the evidence we seek lies not on our planet but in the stars above. Consider the unexplained phenomena that exist in our universe. Fast radio bursts, for instance, are intense flashes of radio waves that come from outside of our galaxy. They've puzzled astronomers for years, and while some suggest they're caused by neutron stars or black holes, we can't rule out the possibility of an extraterrestrial source. Then there are the sightings. Not just the ones you hear about from a friend of a friend, but those reported by credible witnesses. Pilots, astronauts, and military personnel have reported encounters with unidentified flying objects that defy our understanding of physics. Let's not forget the government reports. Declassified documents from around the world reveal that governments have been investigating these phenomena for decades. The United States Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, which ran from 2007 to 2012, investigated reports of unidentified flying objects and concluded that they were not a threat to national security. But what does that really mean? Are they acknowledging the existence of extraterrestrial life, or simply stating they don't know what these objects are? Finally, we have scientific theories. The Drake equation, proposed by astronomer Frank Drake in 1961, estimates the number of civilizations in our galaxy that we could potentially communicate with. Even with conservative estimates, the equation suggests there could be thousands of civilizations out there. So, as we ponder the mysteries of the universe, remember this: the evidence of extraterrestrial life may not be conclusive, but it is compelling. The stars hold secrets that we are just beginning to uncover. The question isn't so much if we are alone, but rather, are we ready for the truth? The stars hold secrets that we are just beginning to uncover. As we journey through these stories and evidence, we find ourselves questioning, what is the truth? What we've seen and heard today are not merely tales spun from the depths of imaginative minds. They are accounts from everyday people, like you and me, who have encountered the inexplicable, the unearthly, the alien. From unidentifiable objects darting across the night sky to close encounters with beings from another world, these stories paint a picture that is both fascinating and frightening. And then there's the evidence. The strange artifacts, the inexplicable radio signals from distant galaxies, the patterns in the crop fields that defy any earthly explanation. Each piece of the puzzle adds more depth to the enigma, leading us on a path of discovery, of understanding, and perhaps of acceptance. Yet, despite all this, the question remains, is there life beyond our blue planet? Are we truly alone in this vast universe, or is there a multitude of civilizations, of beings waiting to be discovered, waiting to make contact? Consider the sheer size of the cosmos. Our sun, a mere speck in the grand tapestry of the universe. Our galaxy, one of billions. The mathematical probability of our planet being the only one to harbor life seems slim, to say the least. And what of the future? Will we continue to receive these sporadic visits from our celestial neighbors? Will we one day, perhaps sooner than we think, come face to face with the extraterrestrial? These are questions that have plagued humanity for generations, questions that have yet to receive definitive answers. But as we delve deeper into the cosmos, as our technology advances and our understanding of the universe expands, we inch closer to uncovering the truth. The truth, it seems, may be stranger than we can imagine, but it is out there, waiting to be discovered, waiting to change our perception of life, of existence, of our place in the cosmos. For now, all we can do is keep our minds open, our eyes to the skies, and continue to seek the truth. Our journey through the unknown does not end here. You see, there's a universe of mysteries out there, and we can only uncover them together. We encourage each and every one of you to share your thoughts, theories, and experiences. Perhaps you've had an encounter of your own, or you have a theory that can shake the foundations of what we think we know. Well, we want to hear it all. If you've enjoyed this journey with us, show us some love. Hit that like button. It's a small gesture, but it means the world to us. And if you're eager to dive deeper into the mysteries of our universe, make sure you subscribe. There's plenty more content on its way, and trust us, you won't want to miss it. Remember, your voice matters in the quest for truth. So, comment, and subscribe as we continue to explore the unexplored. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.